So this is installing the driver's side fender block off from Unique Off-Road Products. I removed a 10mm bolt here, and I've raised my coolant reservoir here. It's a tight fit going in. You want to slide it between the frame, this frame rail, and the plastic, and shove it up. Flip it on over. This past the master cylinder. You can see right here, I have my tab in back of the roll cage. So once you move it in front, it's easier to manipulate. You have these tabs up here. You want to get it down to where it's flush here. Okay. Pull it back one. There. One more time. Okay, then you have two push pins. Install those in the holes in the steering column brace, and then install your 10mm bolt. And then drop your radiator, your coolant reservoir back down. So hopefully got all that. Let me take this out of the holder. See, it works with the cab strap, the soft cap strap down. Let me zoom in. If you wanted to, you could put a weather stripping, but this fits tighter than my DIY setup. So that's the driver's side. So this is the Unique Off-Road Products fender well block off on the passenger side. I've taken a picture of a stud that's on the back side of the glove compartment, and it goes in this hole right here. So insert this here. You see, I've already removed my 10mm bolt here. So lighting's really important in this part. See what you're doing. You want to get a pry bar of some sort. Pry the plastic back. There's a washer that goes over, and then there's a nut here, and that's my donkey helping. So there, once Once you get a couple threads on, you can use a wrench. Put this bolt back in before I forget. So let me take this out of the holder so you can see. And just tighten that down all the way. And then you have that nut. So that's the passenger side. The passenger side's actually a little bit harder. It's easier to get the plastic in, but getting that nut on is probably the hardest part of the whole install. But you can do it with one person. Okay.